Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the Gamma AI. You must have wondered, sometimes you might have got tasks to create in a presentation, and then you must wonder it will take so long time. So either you are a student or a working professional or a teacher, this tool is very helpful for you, and it has helped me a lot. The name of the tool is Gamma AI. So we'll just start it for free. I'm starting it from scratch, so you just need to search in Google Gamma AI. You can just sign in up. So after signing up, you have here three options. You can either generate or generate from the text. Generate, it will only generate that presentation, or import file from the URL. But for this time, I'll be using. You can directly generate from the text as well. For example, if you have something written in a, I will show you this format only. So I have this text written: a strategic approach to search-based content for Zion Health Golf. So I'll take till here. I'll just copy it and I will paste in the text. So you can just paste the text directly. Here you can choose what do you want to do with this content. You can generate from the notes on an outline. So if you click on this, it will create the outline for this. So if you click on this, then it will preserve the text as it is, and if you click on this, it will summarize and it will make it a bit shorter. So I don't want the outline, I want the summarize with the long text. So it can generate up to 10 cards, not an issue. I can generate multiple times with around 10 cards each. So if you have a long presentation, you can use this trick. So as you can see, this presentation is getting ready. So it has also added a photo. So it says strategic digital marketing for Zion Hills Golf County, and we have everything now in this presentation with a pie chart as well, and that too it's a responsive pie chart. So using this technique, you can create your own presentation, and it's very easy. Here we have some other options also. For example, if you want to change some of the contents, or if you want to add a new page, you can click here, and here you have the new page. You can click on generate, and I want for example, future projection. I'll just give a basic title, and then it will again create. So like this, you can create as many as you want. Here we have another sections for how, if you want to insert a title, heading, or if you want to insert tables, list, boxes, buttons. So anything you want to insert, you can insert from here. Here we have images. Here we have other smart layouts. So you can use this, like it will make divide it into 3 columns. So these are some of the easiest way. You can, once it is done, you can now you click on here. You can see it is a very beautiful presentation. You can also change the themes if you want. Add for the themes, you have to go click this page. We have lots of themes. You can import a theme as well. So if you don't like any of the themes, then you can import yours. So here you can play with other theme options as well. After this, I want to show you how you can download it into PPT. So to download it in PPT, you have to just click in here, and you have to export. You have the option to export to PDF, or export to PowerPoint or Google Slides, or as a image. So we'll export to PowerPoint now. So once you click on this, you have to wait for some time and it will be downloaded. I hope you have liked the video. If you like similar kind of helpful stuffs, please do subscribe. So here we have got the download button. It's getting downloaded. Once it's get downloaded, we can just open and check how it is coming. So see, it's now easily opening on PowerPoint presentation as well. So you can see how beautiful this presentation has come out without even it just took more than 3-4 minutes to create this presentation. Even if you want to create multiple pages, this is we have 11 pages. If you want to create more pages, you can again type the other scripts and just paste in there, and then you can create another set of pages, and then you can copy and paste to the same PPT. Thank you for watching.